Okay, I hate to break this to you, but you've been blocked from calling someone. And well, although you've been blocked and you can't really talk to them anymore, you can watch the end of this video to see how to call someone even though they blocked you without any single app. So let's get started. Okay, now hold on right there. Before we move forward, I have something to say. If someone has actually blocked you, it may definitely be for a reason. And well, what I'm trying to say is that don't really use this method over and over just to stalk someone or for scammers. So please use this method wisely. And without any further ado, let's start. Okay, so the first process that you can do is known as hiding your caller ID. And this process on iPhone is pretty easy, as you can simply just go to the settings and enable that option. Okay, so firstly for iPhone, so simply go to your settings and in the settings scroll all the way down. Okay, so there we go. Right after you scroll down, under voice memos you see phone, so you can tap on that. Okay, so now that you're in the phone settings, so go down and you're gonna see under calls, show my caller ID. So tap on that. And this you can simply tap and it will disable the option. So now what it's going to do, it's going to basically hide your number and it's not going to show your number to anyone who you're calling. Okay, and now it is time for Android users. Okay, so simply on Android, go to your phone app and before you dial their number, now this is a secret trick. Now right here, press the star button and then type 67. And now what this will do is, it will basically hide your caller ID. This is similar from the iPhone, however, this is directly inside the app. So simply press star 67 and it will hide your call number. And then if these two tricks don't work, then what you can simply do is just use a different phone number. Now using a different phone number means that it will have a different caller ID, and caller ID means a different phone number in simple words. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, those are the 3 methods with which you can call someone who has already blocked you without using really any app. Okay, if this video helped you, so please leave a like, and if you would like to see more content like this, so please subscribe. Until then,